Hey guys, it's Shane with Jelsmaoutdoors. Today we're going to be making some really simple pole holders that are great for use on the pier. Alright, so to go ahead and get started, all you're going to need is a heating device, a bungee or a ratchet strap, some 4-inch PVC, possibly a saw if you have a long length, and 1.25 PVC or anything else that is 1.5 inch outside diameter. The valving end or the tip of this pulled off, so that way I get a really big flame. Okay, doing that, you can also use a heat gun. I prefer to do this because I'm kind of far away from power right now, and I don't want to have to stretch an extension cord out here. I'm going to heat up the inside of the PVC. Okay, so the inside is what's going to get heated, and I want to kind of heat the whole thing. So we need this sucker to be super soft. We're going to go ahead and insert our 1.25 inches, and then we're going to, like I said, it has to be pretty dang hot to work. So we got the softness and the pliability that we need now, and it is pretty dang hot. So what we want to do is, for one, probably wear gloves. 2, go ahead and get this on here. And this is the shape that we're attempting. Okay. So. Alright, so now that we got it wrapped and it's still hot, we're going to go ahead and let it cool. And then when it cools down, it should be able to hold this shape. And what we're going to be doing is either running our tie down strap or our bungee through this side, and we can literally just attach it to stuff. So once this cooled down, we'll get everything and we'll go ahead and show you. Now, unfortunately, I'm not at the pier, but I do have something that I'm going to simulate as a pier. So usually you got like maybe a 4x2 or something like that, or a 2x6 or something that's running along, or maybe even concrete or steel beam. Even if it's a round bar or whatever, you're going to be able to take this, you drop your hook through it, and then you just take your favorite fishing pole and you put your favorite fishing pole in. Now, you probably could flare the top or do a little cutout or something like that and then fold it over to create a lip. That's something I do suggest if you want to try that. I use them just like this. I don't have a big issue because most of the time I'm using the nylon webbing, and my rod, even if it's like say a spinning reel, the rod seat is still sitting on that nylon webbing and not actually the wood or concrete or steel, which could damage that. So, but if this is the kind of stuff you like, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification, and like always, do it outdoors.